Hey guys, this is David from Methodical Coffee. Today we're going to be brewing with an Aeropress using the inverted method. It's personally one of my favorites. If you travel a lot or if you like to go camping, it's lightweight and easy to pack. Aeropress has three basic parts. It's the plunger, the vessel, and then it's got a filter on the top. We're actually going to set that aside and grind some coffee. So today we're going to be using Methodical Coffee's Play Nice blend. Play Nice is one of our blends. It's middle of the road. It's a medium roast. It's got really nice floral tones as well. It's a fun coffee for us. We've used it in a couple different collaborations with Edmund's Oast and Sierra Nevada to make a couple beers. So first thing, we're going to put our Hario mini mill on the scale here and tare. This also is one of my favorite pieces of equipment. If you're backpacking and you really love your morning ritual, you can have great coffee in the backwoods or in your hotel room. We're going to add 18 grams of coffee, and we're going to brew 275 grams of water, which is about a 15:1 ratio. This is the fun part. So we're going to put the lid back on and the handle, and we're going to start grinding. Almost done. There we go. So we're going to set that aside for a second. We're going to put our Aeropress back together. We're brewing the Aeropress the inverted method today. So we're going to turn the plunger upside down and leave it all the way at the bottom there. For a grind size, it's a medium to fine grind size here, like a table salt. You'll see, feels great. All right, so now we're gonna level our bed of coffee in the Aeropress and tare our scale. We're gonna add 50 grams of water and stir. At 45 seconds, we're going to add an additional 125 grams of water. All right, we're going to stir that again. And wait until 1.5 minutes to add the additional and last bit of water. In the meantime, we're gonna have to add a paper filter into the basket here, so we're gonna go ahead and have that ready. All right, so our last 100 grams of water. All right, so we're gonna wait 1 minute to 2.5 minutes for that to be done brewing. In the meantime, we're gonna rinse our filter. I'm gonna take the Aeropress off the scale and screw top on. You'll wanna find the vessel you're gonna plunge into. All right. We're gonna go ahead and turn our Aeropress over to our vessel. And so with this plunge, just want it to be a steady plunge. All right. Great cup of coffee on the road.